this society wants, how to lobby with the government, how to take this industry forward. So a big applause to the learning sessions that we have been having during this time. Talking about the 7 committees, but today is the day of the Auto Expo committee. And let's all put our hands together for Shirish Kumar Murarka, Gaurav Sada, Nirakar Shrestha and Akash Kota, who are the Auto Expo committees, and they have done a fabulous, fantastic job, flawless, and it has been absolutely amazing. Thank you for your detailing and your hard work. Thank you very much. And then we go on to we talk about the execution of these works. And yeah, that we have to give the biggest thank you and the biggest applause to Media Space Solutions for their impeccable, seamless, flawless event management. It has been absolutely fabulous. Thank you, Srijal, Saurabh and Pratap. Thank you to Pratik from 88 Collective for the fabulous media coverage and the networking with the media. He has also been involved from the beginning when we were doing the strategy sessions to the inaugural sessions. Thank you very much, Pratik. A very special thank you to our secretariat, Rajkumar Dulalji, who has been working tirelessly for this organization. And thank you for your quick adoption to the new industry that you are in. Thank you, Sanjog, Sudeshna, Savitra and Bimal from the secretariat. Thank you for all your hard work. You all are fabulous. Thank you, Punja Rajali, for your photography and the videography. And once again, thank you to all our panelists, speakers, and the moderators who came for the learning sessions. Only because of all of them, we are different from anything that has happened in the past. So therefore, to the learning sessions and the Mobility Samvad of NAIMA. Above all, I would like to thank all the members of NAIMA. Each one of you. All are exhibitors, and we want that each one should become a member and eventually come into the board and make this a bigger and a better success. To all our visitors, and to let you know, I think we are approximately 1 lakh people who visited this expo. At this point, may I also thank all our sponsors. A very big thank you to the general support of National Insurance and Everest Bank. Our telecom partner Encel, ticketing partner Khalti by IME, beverage partner Pepsi, brewing partner Himalayan Java, ride partner Pathao, connectivity partner WorldLink, hospitality partner the Soti Hotel, surveillance partner Hikvision, medical partner Frontline Hospital, fire and safety partner Hinko, management partner Media Space Solutions, F&B partners Gulab, Damdar Momo, Jalpa Fresh Himalayan, Spring Water, Nepal Dairy, Baskin Robin, Habibi Cha. And so thank you all in believing in us. Your support is absolutely valuable, and we only want to make it bigger and better next time. So we look forward to a bigger and better support next time. Thank you.